Testing, testing.
New information, this tornado warning has been
All
upgraded.
right. Yeah, I would say the storm's about to be on the ground. Yeah, sorry I'm a little late, guys. I had a full Regions exam today, so I was a little tired. I was getting some rest, but no, we don't have time for starting soon music today, guys. We do not have time for any starting soon music today because we do have two confirmed tornadoes on the ground now. In fact, one of these storms is actually a PDS or particularly dangerous situation. One of these storms is actually a PDS, a particularly dangerous situation right now. Yeah, guys, this is some strong rotation right now, and that might be a potential. Well, that was a CC, I believe, earlier. Yeah, I think Charleston got smacked by a tornado. Oh my, that's not good. It's hard to tell. There's a little bit of contamination. We are kind of far from radar site, but like I said, this is a PDS. It's a particularly dangerous situation. Guys, today we have a 15% significant chance of tornadoes. SIG 2 today. We actually have a SIG 2 risk today. Guys, there was no starting soon music today. I honestly just want to get right into it because today's gonna be a pretty big day. Yeah, I was just watching this like before they confirmed this tornado. Oh, yeah, this was a strong, yeah. Yes, it's a decent rotation. Might have weakened slightly, but according to the National Weather Service, this is in fact a tornado on the ground right now. Oh no, Chad, this is heading straight towards Taylorville. So if you live in Taylorville, you guys gotta get in your safe spots. Lowest, centermost part of your building, particularly a bathroom or a closet, to protect yourself from the tornado as possible. I'm gonna go get my water real quick. Yeah, we're expecting a decent day today. We do gotta watch out whoever's actually impacted in this event. Could potentially be a big day today. We are watching out for that. I would be watching out for this, but it doesn't have strong. I would be concerned. The storm's approaching Taylorville. So, hey, Grandma. So if you live in Taylorville, guys, you guys need to watch out. This is a confirmed tornado, pretty much heading straight towards you. Let's check up on this PDS. It's a particularly dangerous situation. Uh, Atlantic Basin, off the coast of Africa. Honestly, we don't really know. They're actually forecasting a little bit of a below average season in that main development region. Oh no, guys, this is some tight rotation. I wouldn't be surprised if a little bit of a debris signature could potentially start. At least a tornado warning to the east this spot. So we only got two tornado warnings, and unfortunately, both of these storms are in fact on the ground. Emily says, "Hey Chris, how are you today? I'm doing good today. I'm just a little bit tired because I took a big test today. I think I did pretty good. That test was kind of easy. I'm not even gonna lie. I think I did pretty good on the test, but this storm's heading towards Westfield. And this is a pretty strong storm with pretty strong rotation. Let's see if I could get a closer radar set, 'cause there's a lot of contamination on this radar, honestly. There's actually a PDS, stands for particularly dangerous situation. 21. And this could potentially be a CC drop heading towards Ashmore. And I think Lincoln's radar better. As we move that, we can go with Indianapolis as these storms move more towards Indianapolis. See, great moving towards your residual way. Right, here's your tornadic rotation. I am watching out. We actually did a tropical storm Arthur that actually formed today. Tropical storm Arthur actually formed today. A lot of flash flood warnings. Check up on this confirmed tornado. Goodness, it's like I think this tornado left in near Taylorville, so Taylorville still remains a safe spot. This tornado might not be on the ground, but there's a chance it still is. Yeah, how is everyone doing today? Check on these storms near my friend Blaze. Man, yeah, these storms aren't really doing too much near Blaze. I mean, they could potentially be tornadic as they head into his area, so we're gonna be watching that for his area. I'm sure that, yeah, that test, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have a Earth Science test tomorrow. At least I'm better at Earth Science, so that's good. Yeah, Argentina unfortunately won 3-0 last night. Drop conditions based a bit. There's a chance, Raul. Let's see if Blaze is available. This is video. What do you say? Let's see. Yep, bored. Pretty tired. But I'm excited for your stream. I think my friend Blaze is able to join. Able to. See, is David available? I don't know if David's available today. Let's check that out. Oh,
A new PDS
extensions.
tornado warning has been issued.
All right, so this thing is still on the ground, I believe. Yep, new tornado. Yeah, I think this thing extension. So this
Tornado
thing's
warning for
wow.
southeastern Coles County in east central Illinois, southern Edgar County in east central Illinois, northern Clark County in east central Illinois.
Let's see if David's able to go live. Guys, this is a new PDS tornado warning, a particularly dangerous situation for Ashmore and Westfield. Guys, if you guys are in Westfield, this tornado's heading straight for it. Oh my gosh. Prayers for Westfield right now. They're getting slammed by a tornado right now. This is a confirmed extremely dangerous tornado right now. Heading right towards Westfield right now. Heading straight for Westfield. I believe this storm did kind of potentially lift near Taylorville, but this is a confirmed. Let's read this warning text. I confirm large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Westfield or near Charlton, moving east. Wow, it's moving fast, 45 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover in a hazard, damaging tornado. Source weather spotters confirm to you in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damages to homes and businesses and vehicles, and complete destruction is possible. So this is a confirmed tornado right now. You can indicate. Oh my, this is the dark CC. Oh my gosh, almost negative 32. See, the lower you get on the scale, stronger it is. Take a 380. Can we see this tornado on 380? Alright, so you can't see the tornado on 380. It's a good amount of contamination. Oh, this tornado went right through the city, I believe. Oh, that's still a CC drop down here. Yeah, I don't know why. We're not that far from the radar site. I mean, we are in a little bit of a radar hole. Yeah, we are in a radar hole. That's why the contamination is a lot. If you guys don't know, a radar hole, the radar hole is when you see the radars here. Radars here. There's no radar in the middle. So that, oh, that's tight rotation. It's still gonna be, it's gonna be a little hard to see like the pixels and stuff. But the storm's heading towards Marshall. You gotta watch out. And Oliver. These areas, you gotta get in your safe spot because a confirmed tornado is heading straight for your general area.
A
Now
new
it's,
tornado warning has been issued.
I believe they just issued a new tornado warning. I haven't double. Where is that? Oh,
Tornado warning for
Michigan,
northeastern Greene County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock
Wisconsin.
County in
That's
south central
interesting.
Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin.
Let's take a look at this. I mean, yeah, I do see some rotation here. Green's moving towards your reds, your pinks moving away. Right here's your tornadic rotation. So we are gonna have to monitor that, but right now I'm the most concerned for this PDS. Still close to the Lincoln. Soon we're gonna be able to move radars. Oof, they're in a flash flood warning too, so that's interesting. I don't. It's hard to tell if this is the tornado. Guys, look at all the contamination here right now. It's crazy. Guys, like warning, look at all that. There's like so I don't know if there's so many areas of rotation or a lot of contamination. There's a lot of range folding coming up soon. So I hopefully we get to change the radar site soon. Well, let's take a oh, this storm strengthened. Yeah, this thing still might be on the ground. Oh, thank goodness if the storm was on the ground, it went just south of Taylorville, so that's good. Very populated city. It just went south of that. Might get an extension to the tornado. Yeah, this storm's moving at 50 miles an hour. Storms are moving very quick. I believe this is still the almost CC. This thing might be the CC right here, because I do see the rotation. I think this is where the tornado is actually, chat. A little bit harder to tell though, because there's a lot of contamination. I'm gonna call my friend Blaze real quick. See if he's available to join the stream. Rotation's right here. It's interesting how we're gonna read this with all this contamination. This rotation's tightening Sarah Taylor. This thing still might be on the ground, honestly. Guys, have any questions? Let me know in the chat. Oh, I just wish the radar data was a little better. Let's see it though. Let's wait on this new skit. It's hard to tell with the storm, if you want me to be honest, chat. Very hard to tell. Ooh. Oh, this is probably gonna get an extension, honestly. See this area rotation? A lot of oh, this thing's likely still on the ground. This thing's really tightening up. They should issue an extension, I believe, right here. Or is this unless contamination? This storm's racing at 50 miles an hour. South of Tylerville. This storm is racing, chat. Storm is racing. Oh, new update.
New information, this tornado warning has been upgraded.
And I believe they just upgraded this to a confirmed tornado. Oh my. Alright, that's interesting. We have a confirmed tornado right now. Confirmed tornado in Wisconsin right now. Oh no, this is heading close to Brooklyn right now. Brooklyn.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
There it is. This is heading off towards. Wow.
Tornado warning for northeastern Vigo County in west central Indiana, northwestern Clay County in west central
Alright,
Indiana,
good news,
southeastern
chat.
Park County in west central Indiana,
The
central Putnam
PDS.
County in west central Indiana.
The PDS is no longer on the ground. It's a regular confirmed tornado, regular tornado one. We have four tornado warnings right now, two regular ones, and two confirmed. Let's take a look at the storms in Wisconsin, because I mean, wow, that's a huge debris sector. Yeah, this thing's doing damage right now. This thing's on the ground right now. What?
A new flash flood warning has been issued.
The confirmed tornado on the ground right now. So getting your safe spot. This is heading straight for Brooklyn, Wisconsin right now. If you live in Brooklyn, Wisconsin, you have to get in your safe spot. This is a pretty fast moving storm right now. Right here's your tornado. Spectrum width shows tornado. CC shows tornado. And the velocities are decent. So get in your safe spot if you live anywhere in these areas. Go to this new tornado warning. Well, this is heading near. It's heading close to Indianapolis, chat. I believe we might have some cameras in Indianapolis for the future. Do you have any cams in these areas? No, that's Missouri. I don't think we got cams. Ooh, that's interesting. Ooh, that's another area rotation I'm noting right here. Oh, this supercell is getting interesting now. Rotation died up here. I mean, I see another potential area. Potentially two areas of rotation. They're gonna cancel this and drop this tornado warning south. So look at that, guys. You see this hawk echo, inflow notch. Yeah, this thing's about to produce it. This thing's gonna produce a tornado soon. So they should warn that. I have to bring two radar sites now because there's a confirmed tornado up here. Is this thing still on the ground? Weakened slightly, but yeah. Good news. It's nowhere might go north of Brooklyn, Wisconsin. That's the good news. I'm watching another one. This is getting interesting, this event now. Still some areas of rotation here, but no longer on the ground. Look at that, guys. So you reflect downdraft, and then you see your hook, and then you see your inflow notch. So yeah, this thing might produce a tornado here soon. 'Cause I don't think it's on the ground as of right now, but I am watching out. See, your green's moving towards your red's moving away. Right here's your kind of rotation right now, right on the edge of that hook. So I am watching out for this. This could be potentially a future long track tornado if this thing decides to mature, and it seems like it's matured. Is it riding any vorticity right now? Let me check. Okay, Cape's not the dude. It's in a little bit of a lack of Cape. That's the good news. What about significant tornado parameter? There's a little bit of a lack significant tornado, so that's good news. But I am watching out for this storm. Let's get a radar check. Yeah, so as of now, it's just an area I'll watch as of right now. What about this confirmed tornado? Just waiting on that new radar scan, because I mean, this. Oh no, I think it curves south. The thing curves south. I think it's heading straight towards Brooklyn Drive now. That's not good. Might be heading towards Brooklyn Drive now. Let's play it by ear. We gotta estimate this now. God, I hope it goes just north. Let's take a storm track. Oh, this is gonna, yeah, this is gonna get it. Oh, it might go just north. It might impact some of the northern homes. I hope this thing lifts. Cause look, guys, there's a chance it impacts some of the northern homes here. That's not good. Might impact some. Look how detailed you can get on GR2. It's crazy. Look how much you could zoom in. New
A new
update.
tornado warning has been issued.
New tornado warning. I said it. I said
Tornado
it.
warning for
So the storm could
southeastern
get
Christian
going.
County in central Illinois, central Shelby County in central Illinois.
Alright, Chad, I said this storm could potentially get going, and here, oh, this thing's. Check back on the storm in a few minutes. What I said I didn't want to happen happened. This thing's getting stronger. They just issued a tornado warning here. Like I said, that hook echo, I'm watching out for it. Things are starting to fire off here again. I think the second wave is starting. What, could that be a little seas? No, it's probably just contamination. I am watching out for this area though. What about these storms? That's the kind of blob. I mean, still do see some rotation, pretty decent. I mean, I'm watching out for a lot of these storms. Let's take a look. Oh, I do still see debris. It's still likely a CC drop right now for the storm hang. I think this might go slightly north of Brooklyn. That'll be such a good news. I don't want it to impact Brooklyn, Wisconsin. Decently pop, but it's heading towards Cooksville soon. Is Cooksville even more? Alright, that's less pop. Look how small some of these towns are. I find it crazy how small some of these towns are. Brooklyn isn't that. Let's see Environmental Canada. I want to see the outlook for today in my area. It's just a margin up. Oh, shoot, I gotta go live for some Montreal weather. There's a two out of there's a 2 out of 4. Some of my family in Canada. 2 out of 4. Here it's here in the U.S. it's out of 5. In Canada it's out of 4. Yeah, there's a 2 out of 4, guys. In the U.S. it goes 2 out of it, in the U.S. It goes 1 to 5. The severe weather scale in Canada it's 1 to 4. One, two. Yeah, in Canada it's out of 4. The severe weather scale. So it is a moderate chance. It goes minor, moderate, high, and extreme risk. I'm sorry, I don't like Environment Canada's outlooks. There's not much detail. Like, they don't say what it's for. See, hazard, they show. Because look, they don't. It's the same thing every day. There's no, like, description or anything. I just understand the categories, guys. I don't like it. Doesn't really say, like, what it's for, you know? I guess we know if they issue the watch, but. I mean, take a look at some of the models for tomorrow. Our storm might be heading for. I think Brooklyn's about to get hit by a little tornado. That's not. Wait, it lifted. Oh, thank God, guys! This storm lifted right when I got to Brooklyn. That's insane. Thank you, thank you, God. Thank you, thank you. That lifted right. Oh, I'm watching out for this storm. That's it. Yeah, I'm watching out for this little hook right here. It's ice they will issue. That's why they issued a tornado warning. And by the way, we officially have no more tornadoes on the ground. As of now, no more tornadoes on the ground. That is the great news. As of right now, we don't have any confirmed tornadoes right now. Wow, that's great. We are still watching out, though, obviously. When could my area see storms tomorrow? Oh, it could be early in the morning. Serious. What's 18Z showing? Are you serious? Right when I'm at the region, they're showing us getting hit by a storm. That's great news. Thank you for monitoring. You're welcome. Dude, of course, when I'm in school, man. Showing us getting hit by a storm. And I won't even know. Won't even freaking know. I'm gonna know in the general area, though. What about tomorrow for Montreal? Honestly, there's an all-day risk of some storms. When's the peak? Oh, this is right. This is where my family lives. I may start doing some Canadian weather.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
Indiana extension, I think. Waiting for it to appear. Yep, extension. Finally,
Tornado
it's
warning
made our
for
A
size.
new
Vigo
flash
County
flood
in west
warning has been
central
issued.
Indiana, western Clay County in west central Indiana.
A morning convection may limit some of this event. Alright, that's good news. Yeah, it's not going to be probably that much in Canada as well. Guys, did you hear that Tropical Storm Arthur actually made landfall a few hours ago? Yeah, let's just get kind of weakened on this storm. I'm still watching out. It's more honestly some isolated areas. We're right here, but you gotta watch out. Yeah, but you gotta watch out for sure. Near Tower Hill, kind of. Around that area. You gotta watch out. Guys, have any questions? Let me know in the chat. I answer any question. Alright, let's take a look at these storms here in Indianapolis. Sorry, guys, I'm a tiny bit tired today. If you guys want me to be, if you want to be on, oh my gosh, if you want me to be honest, that's good news. Tornado has officially lifted here. Great news. I'm gonna go on one radar so now. Ooh, that's interesting. Brazil. That's an interesting. There's a city in Indiana called Brazil. Okay, it says you live in Brazil, Carbon, and Green Castle. Look at that. Look at that hook. Storm's gonna be interesting. All these storms are moving quick. For real. I didn't even know that was. I didn't even know that was a city in Indiana. I didn't even know that was a city in Indiana. Honestly, it's crazy. Oh, that's getting interesting. I'm watching that inflow notch is really getting props. This could potentially produce a tornado soon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 5 tornado warnings right now. Now 8 severe thunderstorm warnings as well. So I don't think Dave is going to be available to cover today or Blaze. I am watching out because this inflow notch is getting pretty interesting. Pretty good curvature as well. It's probably one of the storms in the most to start heading towards Greencastle. Yeah, actually, it's heading towards Putnamville. So this looks like a classic supercell. If you want me to be honest, as of now, it isn't that 4 out of 5, but it does have some pretty good significant tornado parameter agreements. Let's read this mesoscale question. It's a couple of supercells tracking eastward. It's turning more into a cluster though, so that's even more my good news. Future knows which could be strong. So yeah, this event's not over yet, guys. This event's not over. New day one outlook at 9 p.m. That's gonna be interesting if they keep that 15% or they downgrade it to 10. Guys, there was actually a PDS tornado warning earlier up here in an unexpected area. That's interesting. That's why they did go and issue that tornado watch. 4 people watching. Thank you. Oh. Uh, yeah, this rotation's still kind of there. But I'm watching out, though. I mean, it does look like a classic super, so we just really gotta wait. It's honestly kind of a waiting game now. See what these storms could potentially be doing. Also, I don't see still rotation in Marshall, but I don't see as much as it was earlier. This was actually a PDS, a particularly dangerous situation just a little bit ago. Let's take a look at these storms. I gotta get an update on this storm. It should look a little less tornadic now, and it does. Good news. I'm still watching that full rotation. Korea's moving towards, we're moving away. Right here's your tornadic rotation. The storms are heading towards relatively towards the Indianapolis area, so you guys gotta get a heads up. Live in Indianapolis, if this thing does produce a tornado, it's heading pretty much straight in your direction. As of now, this thing's not nowhere near pretty much on good, but I'm seeing a little bit of a new area rotation. That's interesting. Two areas I'm watching, honestly. I'm watching out for two areas of rotation, guys. You gotta watch out. You guys gotta get in your safe spot if you're in a tornado warning tonight, particularly right now. Brazil, Harmony, Greencastle, and Putnamville, and Fillmore. I'm getting better at pronouncing these names. If you guys live anywhere in these areas, you guys gotta get in your safe spot, lowest centermost part of your building, particularly a bathroom or a closet. Particularly a bathroom or a closet. Those are the best areas to go during a tornado warning. If you don't got a basement, chat, they just updated that. Tornado warning still remains radar indicated. Radar indicated means it's not on the ground and it's indicated by the radar, which is what we're using now. Yeah, I'm becoming a little less impressed, honestly, with this storm. With this storm that was once PDS here. Terry Hunt. Who knows if this actually gets an extension? Probably not, as of now. Check them on this tornado warning in Wisconsin. I still see some rotation. This could potentially recycle. I will be monitoring that. Check up on the storm. Your Pana. Alright, guys. David is unfortunately not available today. Unfortunately. Ooh, updated radar. Hmm. Yeah, that's some rotation. It might be some getting together. South tornado will almost splitting itself apart from the main storm. That's one of those interesting setups, I can't lie. Please remember hydrate. Yeah, I'm drinking a lot of water. Oh, David. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, he said he's not gonna be on tonight. Who knows? He may be watching right now. I mean, I ooh, yeah, that's a little bit of rotation. Marshall starting to get together. That's honestly interesting. I am watching out for that. Yeah, honestly, not much regarding actual tornadoes on the ground is going on right now, which is honestly the great news. We still do got 5 tornado warnings, so we do got to watch out for these quickly. Near Putnamville. Ooh, this area might be starting a recycle, getting this rotation starting. This is the storm we're honestly watching out the most that looks the most tornadic right now. Even the storm near Marshall starting to do some stuff. So we are watching out for these, chat. August. Yeah, I'm going to Canada in August, so who knows, guys? I might get some storm chasing action in Canada. Maybe I get some storm action in Canada in August. That would be pretty cool. Get an update on this tornado warning.
A new
You
tornado
okay?
warning has been issued.
Hope David has a nice evening. Yeah. Ooh, I am watching out for this storm near Shelbyville. I am watching out for that. Mom, if you're watching the stream, maybe I am gonna go check out some fireflies. Hopefully, maybe.
Tornado warning for
Ooh, new
Southern Rock
tornado warning.
County
Where?
in south
Where?
central Wisconsin.
All right. That's. Ooh, guys, let's check out this. Let's check out this. Let's check out this. Saint Remy, Canada. Oh yeah, near Footville. Oh, that's an interesting name, chat. Footville. Yeah, there's another area of rotation. There's honestly 2 areas of rotation up here I am watching out for. A lot of tornado warnings are canceled. Now we only got one, two, three, four, I believe. Yeah, one, two, three, four. Yeah, this is gonna expire soon. So yeah, two warnings did expire, chat. Right now we have more tornado. Is that crazy, guys? Right now we have more tornado warnings in Wisconsin than the actual main risk, almost about the main risk area, which is kind of crazy. Kind of surprised though they canceled the storm, because I mean, storm does seem like it's kind of rotating. If you want me to be honest, so I am slightly concerned why they did in fact cancel that tornado warning, but we're going to be watching out. Alright, alright, man. Alright, guys, I am still waiting for the storm near Putnamville. The storm is actually kind of tiding a little, and I wouldn't be surprised if this storm gets another tornado warning. Thanks, Putnamville named after a man named, yeah, Footville. It's crazy, guys. The name of the town is Footville. Alright, good news. Rotation kind of weak, and on this storm low, could potentially get another tornado warning. I'm watching out. Guys, I am watching out for these storms right now. Guys, soon I might actually put the stream to an AFK radar loop a little. Honestly, probably once I get to that hour, I might put the stream to an AFK radar loop with like the bot alerts and stuff. Let's take a look at the humidity. I am still watching out for some potential rotation here, guys. Right now, I think we're about to almost have three tornado warnings. Let's take a look at these storms. Uh, oh yeah, I still do see some rotation. Please tell me. All right, guys, we're seeing kind of weak in here. Egerton, I'm watching out. Storm could potentially get an extension. I am watching out for the storm near Hangover. These are some interesting town names, guys, in Wisconsin. Footville and Hangover. Footville and Hangover. That's some interesting towns in this tornado warning. You guys agree with me on that? You guys have any questions? Let me know in that chat. Really appreciate it.
A
New
new tornado
update.
warning has been issued.
New tornado warning. Illinois, it's probably for one of these storms in Illinois. Let me double check. Oh, that storm's
Tornado
bad.
warning for northwestern Jasper County
Oh
in
yeah, I do see
southeastern
some
Illinois,
rotate.
southeastern Shelby
Hold
County
on.
in central Illinois, Cumberland
Gas
County in east central
contamination.
Illinois,
Still do see
northern
some
Effingham
rotation
County in
of.
south central Illinois.
I am watching out for the storm, chat. I think we put one, two, three, four, one, two, three. Yeah, four tornado warnings right now. That hook echo near Cowden. A little bit of an inflow notch right now, so I am watching out. Pretty interesting, chat. This event's one of those interesting events. I'm also watching out. There's a storm near Cardville, it's out of Standard City for some rotation. So a good amount of storms are potentially rotating as well, chat. That's interesting. I think so far we covered one PDS, two confirmed tornadoes, so the event's still pretty early. So just reading some. Thank you, Emily, for being here in the stream chat. I need to be more up on this. My bad, guys. I'm just a little tired from taking that test, and I played outside, ran around a lot. I did get my exercise today, though, chat, so that's good. Thank you for streaming and keeping us informed. Honestly, guys, at first I was a little tired of streaming, but then I was like, I'm gonna stream at least an hour for you guys. Well, this storm really moving fast now. And I do still shout at Terry. You know, Tara, I think the Terry, I think it's super. So I am watching out for some rotation as well. Yeah, Oliver, I am watching out. Still got 4 tornado warnings in effect. Very interesting. Hmm. Give me a sec, chat. I am watching out for these storms, chat. I think I'm gonna put the stream honestly, chat. The AFK once the 1 hour mark comes as like a radar loop. And then if anything crazy happens, I'll probably potentially come back. I have like I think I'm gonna have a loop like this, something like this. Because all these tornado warnings up in Wisconsin only for a 2% tornado risk, chat. You guys find that crazy? 2 minutes of the new SBC outlook. I might just wait, honestly, for that new SBC outlook. I just want to see what they're gonna do with this risk. The Trevor Hunter, I am watching out for some storms. Guys, want to like, subscribe? It would be really appreciated. Let's take a look at some of these storms in Wisconsin. Guys, I would stream log if I wasn't as tired. Alright, guys, got 3 tornado warnings down. I'm gonna put the stream to kind of an AFK radar loop. I might be back later if anything happens. If not, hope you guys have a great night. Do you guys want me to align it with the satellite too? I think that's good. Alright, peace. Alright, I'm back, guys, for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna be back. I'm going in and out. Kind of going in and out. I'm gonna broadcast a little. I'm going in and out. So let's take a look. So many storms fell off. That's the good news. There's some way. Yeah, I am. I mean, I am watching out for some of this area rotation. I'm not even gonna lie. It is a decent amount. At least there's only 3 tornado warnings right now. The warnings are starting to expire, so that's the good news. Look at these storms approaching Indianapolis, Indiana. What so this storm could potentially get going? I've been saying, I'm watching out for the storm, looking like a decent hook starting to form. I'm watching. Oh, I am watching out for some of these storms. I'm gonna put on a radar loop soon, chat. Probably within the next 5 minutes. Nope.
New information, this tornado warning has been upgraded.
Which storm has been upgraded? This one or this one? That's gotta be this one. You got a tornado on the ground, but which storm? Alright, it's for the storm in. The storm, I was saying the storm does that rotation. Oh, what a radar hole. Guys, this is in one of the worst areas. You know, guys, look, guys, this is in one of the worst areas. Radar here, radar here, radar here. You know, guys, I'm gonna go. I think it's better if I put it for now a radar loop.
A new tornado warning has been issued. A new tornado warning has been
Tornado warning
issued.
for southeastern Vigo County in west central Indiana, central Clay County in west central Indiana, northwestern Owen County in west central Indiana. Tornado warning for northwestern Fayette County in south central Illinois, southern Montgomery County in south central Illinois.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
Tornado warning for East Central Clark
New
County in East
information,
Central
this
Illinois.
tornado warning has been upgraded. A new tornado warning has been issued.
Tornado warning for Southern Vigo County in West Central Indiana, Northeastern Sullivan County in Southwestern Indiana, Southwestern Clay County in West Central Indiana, Northwestern Greene County in Southwestern Indiana.
A new tornado warning has been issued. A new tornado warning has been issued. A new tornado warning has been issued. A new flash flood 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 warning has been issued.
Tornado warning for northern Jasper County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Cumberland County in east central Illinois.
A new PDS tornado warning has been issued.